สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy. I am a big fan of all kind of Thai spicy salad. So today I'm going to show you how to cook Yum Woon Sen. It is one of my favorite Thai spicy salad. So let's take a look at the ingredients. For the dressing, we are going to need fish sauce, sugar, lime, and chilies. And for the salad itself, of course, we are going to need glass noodle, onion, tomato, spring onion, celery, 100 grams of shrimp, 150 grams of pork, shallots, dry shrimp, and roasted peanuts. First step, I'm going to prepare all the vegetables. And while we are preparing vegetable, we can also soak these glass noodles. Next step, let's make the dressing. Pumped sugar. And I'm using 5 bird eye chilies today. You can reduce or add the chilies according to your liking. And here you can see that the sugar start to melt. So we add the fish sauce. And when you see the sugar melt nicely already, you can start to add the lime juice. So now we have the dressing. Our dressing is tasting so nice. I'm gonna put it aside and we'll start to cook the pork and shrimp. You just quick boil them in the hot water. First, you just boil the ground pork, and then you can boil the shrimp. After that, you can continue with boiling the noodles. This is gonna be quick because we have soaked them in the water already. We can add some dressing into the salad right now. We save a little bit of dressing to put on top after we mix the vegetable in here. You can add as much vegetable as you like. Add the rest of the dressing. You can add these roasted peanuts. The last one, dry shrimp. It smells so good. So here is my Yum Woon Sen. It is of course delicious. So you have to try this at home. Find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. And now you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For today, have a spicy day. Bye-bye. I'm gonna try this. So good.